Hello and welcome. In this full-length tutorial, I'll guide you through how to connect your Spotify account to Discord, whether you're using a mobile phone or a desktop laptop. By linking Spotify to Discord, you'll be able to display your current song as a status, invite friends to listen along with you, easily share tracks or playlists on your server or in DMEs. Let's begin with mobile. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Discord app. Make sure you're logged in to the correct Discord account, the one where you want to show your Spotify activity. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap gear icon on the top right of screen. This will take you to user settings. Now scroll down until you find the connections option. Tap on it. Inside the connections section, tap the add button in the top right corner. You'll see a list of available services. Tap on Spotify. This will open a web page prompting you to log in to your Spotify account. Enter your Spotify username and password, or choose to log in with Google, Apple, or Facebook, depending on how your Spotify is set up. Once you log in, you'll be asked to give Discord permission to access your Spotify data. Tap Agree to continue. After accepting, you'll return to the Discord app and see that your Spotify account is now linked. Now go back to Discord. You'll also see a few toggles. Display on profile shows a Spotify icon on your Discord profile. Display Spotify as your status shows the song you're currently listening to as your Discord status. Enable both if you want your friends to know what you're listening to. Now your Spotify is fully integrated with Discord. Friends can see what you're listening to, and you can even listen together if you're on Premium. That's it. I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.